can you get me some ice cream with anchovies?
No. You mustn't give in to your cravings. It's not good for the baby. You need to increase your spider intake so he'll be able to climb ceilings properly and eat lots of sheep bile.
I love you, Dad, but we don't even know if the kid's gonna be a vampire. I'd be thrilled if the baby's human-y just like Johnny.
Humanly, with thousands...
Crave. To have a very strong feeling of wanting something.
It's the unspoken truth of humanity that you crave subjugation.
Intake. The amount of a particular substance that is eaten or drunk.
Alright, there's an intake pipe here below low tide.
Properly. Correctly, or in a satisfactory way.
The Elder Wand cannot serve me properly because I am not its true master.
Thrill. To make someone feel very excited and pleased.
He's got me thrilled with seeing Brendan Collins walk.
Oh my goodness, Leonard. If you really look that hideous, I don't think I can hang out with you.
Guys, what's the deal? Is this a party? Pick up a phone. I don't care if Johnny said it's a cool app. Johnny's still new here. Now, Porridge Head, did you call a hearse for the Gremlinbergs? No, you're checking your Facebook page. Again.
Drac, I told the guys social media is the best way to promote the hotel, right, Clifton?
Hideous. Extremely ugly or bad.
He did not shriek, but the hideous, unholy abominations shrieked for him.
Hearse. A vehicle used to carry a body in a coffin to a funeral.
You gonna have black flags coming for a hearse or a taxi?
Promote. To advertise something.
I somehow go about my business, make money, help society the best I can, and try to promote free trade in this world.
I told you, Papa's always here for you.
Again!
Oh dear, oh my devil. We're gonna have to report this.
You mean to the papers? I guess it was pretty cool, but I'm not about getting press.
No, sir, I mean the authorities. I can't not report child endangerment.
Whoa, listen to me.
Authority. Police or other government officials.
Call the transit authority, school board, prisons, get...
Endanger. To put someone or something at risk or in danger of being harmed.
But if you do anything to endanger Troy, I will rip your pretty face from your pretty skull.
Stop squirming!
Why are you doing this?
Because this is wrong! Why doesn't anybody get that? Humans don't belong with monsters!
You're wrong!
I am not! I am holding you hostage! And me and my crew are gonna tear that human-hugging hotel to shreds!
You can't!
Squirm. To move from side to side in an awkward way.
He wanted us to know exactly when he was going to strike. Wanted to watch us squirm as precious seconds were ticking away.
Hostage. Someone who is taken as a prisoner by an enemy.
In peace.
My lord, princess might be taken hostage or her life be put in.
Crew. A group of people who work together.
He's moving something with all new guys, a whole new crew.